Ym mis Mawrth 2020, fe wnaeth hwb gwyddorau bywyd Cymru alwad i'r diwydiant i gefnogi ymateb Gwasanaeth Iechyd Cymru i Covid-19. Yn ogystal ag achub bywydau, mae ein sector wedi ysgogi adferiad economaidd, wedi creu swyddi mawr ei angen, ac wedi dangos bod Cymru'n gallu cyflawni ar raddfa fyd eang.
So when the crisis struck, there was a lot of confusion. And what Life Sciences Hub was able to do in fairly short order was provide some clarity so industry knew where to come to, what hoops they needed to come through, what information was needed and what opportunities there were.
The way the life sciences community in Wales has stepped up to the COVID challenge has been nothing but inspirational.
Prior to making masks, setting up the mask facility, we were actually making safety products such as body armour, armoured vehicles. Life Sciences Hub Wales has been instrumental in many respects.
They've been a collector of information related to PPE and processes, and in a matter of days we had a certified CE mark face shield which we are producing here.
Since Covid-19 pandemic has hit us, we've been incredibly busy delivering the frontline service. Life Sciences Hub Wales have really stepped in to help make sure that we still have good communication with their partners in industry.
PerkinElmer has provided automation and robots that allows the lab to scale the testing up to the volume which is required for Public Health Wales.
So Life Sciences Hub has played a really important part in that ecosystem.
When we produced the tests, the first people that we contacted was the Life Science Hub. The reason being is that they've got strong links with ourselves and all of the life science community, and they can really help us and give us advice of how to take these tests forward into the Welsh community.
They've connected us to the Welsh NHS. We've done other products then for the NHS Wales. So ventilator bags we're making here, also PPE kits.
Bydd hwb gwyddorau bywyd Cymru yn parhau i gefnogi'r gwaith o gyflymu a mabwysiadu arloesedd ar draws y sector iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol, mwyn creu system gofal iechyd gryfach a mwy cadarn.
The Life Sciences Hub is delighted to have had the opportunity to work so closely with so many of our partners across such a short period of time to really make a difference to both our health system and the way that Wales is supporting international efforts for COVID.
Mae hwb gwyddorau bywyd Cymru yn gweithio ar y cyd i sicrhau mae Cymru yw'r lle ar gyfer arloesi ym maes iechyd, gofal a lles. Ymunwch â ni wrth i ni wireddu ein gweledigaeth.